Hi viewers, this is Dr. Bitla, English faculty. Welcome to our channel. And today let us go other than English grammar and something like it is a tip to become successful in our lives. Everybody thinks to be successful. How actually the person has become so and so great personality. How the person businessman has become a great businessman. How that actor has become a great actor. How this director of photography became great photographer. So like this for every person actually what they do indeed, so that we understand right that every time we have some question, for that actually I am bringing you answer. Really if you follow that, definitely you will be successful in your particular field. Don't take others field here, don't come from this field to that field. And if you are in particular field, if you follow these 5 rules to become successful, definitely you are going to become successful. Robin Sharma said, of course all of you know the world acclaimed personality Robin Sharma, who has written many novels, personal development novels. In that I think some of you know that the monk who sold his Ferrari, one of the right books, that at the same time the leader who has no title. See that actually the titles themselves tell how should be the person like. And here we can see that one more quote I would like to say, successful people do not relax, they believe in progress. Successful people do not relax, they believe in progress. In our lives, definitely there will be many hurdles, many problems, many obstacles. But when the person stops over there itself stops. So here after that moving forward, when you go on like that, when time permits, your work permits, your hard work favors you, then luck comes to you, then you are the successful person here. So that up to that success, reaching the success, you should not relax. This quote says that one person should not relax any time when you are in particular field to become number one. You have to be number one means here don't relax, go on working. One day is yours and you will be topper in that particular field. Don't think other fields. For example, you see Mukesh Ambani or Anil Ambani. So Mukesh Ambani is richest personalities of the world today, one of the richest personalities of the world. Anil Ambani somewhat losing his properties. So what's happening there here? How actually the people maintaining themselves? So what are the reasons? Just you do some research over this. What about our Kingfisher chairman? Was that Vijay Mallya? Vijay Mallya's case also you can take that here. What was his discipline? What indiscipline? What happened to him? And recently we had seen Satyam Ramalingaraju's case and some other cases. Like this if you take, actually most of the losers are there. What their mistakes? First you learn what's their mistakes. When you learn about their mistakes, you are the successful person over there first of all. And one more quote we can understand here. Successful people do not do different things. They do things differently. They do the things differently. What they do, everybody is that here. Why Synthel cameraman is right fantastic? Why some other person is fantastic? Why megastar Chiranjeevi is fantastic? Right? Why so and so heroine is fantastic? Why so and so professor is very good? Here I would like to give only one example. Chef. For example, all ingredients are given to particular chefs. 2 chefs are there, or 3 chefs are there, 4 chefs are there, and a cook. Okay. So ingredients are given to the person. Same ingredients are given to the all people equally. But when it is cooked, the taste will be different from person to person. The first chef who is there, he cooks in different taste, and second chef and third chef and fourth chef, like this if you take them, definitely every chef has different taste to cook. So that here what you understand by this here, just you can see that successful people don't do different things, they do things differently. How many are there in the competition is not important here. How effectively you are doing is important. How effectively you are working for your goal is important. So that Shivkera said that, okay, of course Shivkera's You Can Win also one book is there. If you read that book you understand. And when you feel degrading yourself, when you feel depressed or stressed, read Shivkera's book. When you feel stressed, you can read Robin Sharma's The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, or The Leader Who Has No Title. So everyone wants to become leader, something like that. But no need of becoming leader to be designated. So leadership qualities are there, even there is designation or not. So that you must have these qualities. No need of title. Title means here designation. So and so director, so and so something like. So not necessary to be like that. What you need here, you need that the quality, how you maintain that quality, that is important. That takes you places. So that you understand about this. And of course, I would like to say the right 5 rules here. What actually 5 rules our Robin Sharma said. According to Robin Sharma discussed in the book called The Leader Who Has No Title. So these 5 rules are there in that book. I have taken only these 5 rules. Really, if you follow that, definitely you will become successful in your particular field. I am not saying that you are world number 1 or something like that here, but you will be number 1 in your particular field. Even I follow it, of course, viewers, definitely you will follow it. Let us see the first rule. Rule 1. It is actually ritual. He said ritual, but I am saying here rule. Rule 1 is, what is your early rising? Early rising. How many of you really do it? Rising early in the morning or early rising? Rising early in the morning. Early morning, at what time you wake up, that is very important. Of course, some people say it is 4 o'clock, some people say it is 5 o'clock, some people say it is 6 o'clock. But after waking up early in the morning, what do you do immediately? That matters. That matters. What do you do immediately? So whether you just sit idle, whether you go for brushing or any nature calls, whatever you are doing that, before that what you do, that is important. So rising early in the morning gives you a great strength and go for workouts. That is very important. Workouts in the sense people misunderstand going for gyms and doing some heavy exercises and all. Even go for a walk, go for a jog, otherwise run for some time, at least 1 to 2 kilometers. That definitely gives you a great energy, because metabolic rate increases. When the metabolic rate and your complete hormones are really balanced, at the time you think positively. That's what Robin Sharma says, right? Wake up early in the morning and work out for some time. Working out, as I told that here, you sweat yourself, then your body rejuvenates. When the body rejuvenates, automatically you think positively. When you think positively, definitely you move forward and get success. That is the first rule of anyone. Waking up early in the morning, not only the thing here, after waking up, what you do, that is important. So that sweat early in the morning, that metabolic rate increases. At the same time, your hormones balances, then stress level gets down and no depression. When there is no depression, there is no stress, definitely you are a successful person. So that you are going to be successful. And the second rule, let us see what is the rule 2 here. Okay, this is also ritual. He said that ritual, strategic time blocking. Strategic time blocking. Strategic time blocking. What is strategic time blocking? How many of you really know that time sense? How many of you really go for 10 minutes to 5 minutes early or 30 minutes early? When the people actually attend the interview also, they don't have any strategic time blocking. For everything, prioritize the things. What does it mean here? Prioritize. Strategic time blocking is prioritizing. What you are prioritizing? Giving importance. First priority, second priority, third priority, fourth priority. Like this here, you divide them. Because when you see at once, everything is at once, it seems that here everything is important. But everything is not important. That's what you say strategic time blocking. In that, what is the first priority? So that you give first priority to that. So that what he says here, Robin Sharma, strategic time blocking. Take some time. What you want to do at present. What is emergency work you want to do. So first sweat yourself in the morning, and then you fix the time, the entire 12 hours, whatever you want to do, this time to this time, this time to this time. The entire day must be blocked for yourself. When you block the time, you do that, whatever the things come to your level and disturb you also, then you'll be successful. So one thing is sweating early in the morning, the other one is prioritizing. First priority, second priority, third priority, giving importances and levelizing them. So that this is one thing. At the same time, the third one you can see here, over delivering. What is over delivering? Rule right 3, over delivering. You work more than expectations. Don't drop anywhere. Don't drop your energy levels at any cost. The people may nervous you, people may rebuke you, people may ridicule you, right? But don't nervous. When you are in the trap, you are failure. That's what here over delivering. Work as your boss expects. For example, boss expects you are timing something, that boss expects so and so person is level is like that only. But work more than your boss expectations. So when you work like that, more than your boss expectations, definitely you are there. You are the topper in the field. So that becoming topper is very simple, but following these rules also important here. So that when you skip the work, that is over. So that work more than the boss expects something, that's called over delivering. The fourth rule is here, 60-minute student. Okay, 60-minute student. What is saying here? It seems silly. So after becoming professional, you studied so and so, okay, and maybe engineer or some doctor or very great actor or something like that. You feel that what 60 minutes student, why should I spend the 60 minutes out of my 12 hours of time? You can see still the great businessmen, the great actors, great professionals, still they study for something in their lives for 1 hour. So that you spend 1 hour to learn new thing every day. If you spend 1 hour to learn new thing every day, it may be anything. You may learn Spanish language, you may learn any German language, you may learn any other scientific research things, you may learn any kind of photography. So that here you learn something which is very new that here. That's what every day definitely you spend 60 minutes to become something else. So that if you become student every day for 1 hour, that's enough, because every day 1 hour you are spending on that. 30 days if you spend 1 hour, 30 hours means here you are going to be fantastic in your field. So that spend 60 minutes every day to know a new thing from the world, whatever it is concerned to your profession or out of your profession also, so that you will be successful over there. And then the fifth one is, what is fifth one? Private reflection. The fifth rule is private reflection. What is private reflection? So reflection means the reflection, the things which come to you again. There is one reflection. So private reflection, this is also called introspection. Robin Sharma's the 5 rules, even Robin Sharma follows it, right? The great successful people also, if you go and ask them, even Nagarjuna today you can see 60 years of age, how is really looking dynamic today. So what they are doing, what is the necessary to him to become fit or six pack like that at the age of 60 years? Because he wants to become number one in his field. So for that, definitely he wakes up early in the morning and follows the same thing. If you really want to know, if you meet a person, definitely ask that here. He wakes up early in the morning, does something like that. So that follow these 5 rules. Definitely you will be successful in your field. Viewers, definitely I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like it, share it and comment in the comment box. At the same time, subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.